2009 Chrysler 300c. Today we're going to be replacing the tag lights. I'm going to be upgrading to these LED ones. I got these for like 10 bucks off of eBay, so I'm going to see how they work out and go over replacing the light bulb if that's all you're going to be doing as well. Let's get to it. And removing the tag lights on these is pretty simple. Each tag light is held in with 2 Phillips head screws. Might actually be easier to use a stubby on these because the angle of my screwdriver hitting right here is throwing it off a little bit. Much better. And you just move it over to one side, grab it, and pull it down. And if you're just replacing the bulb, you just twist this off, and there's your bulb right there. You can see ours is burnt out. But I figured rather than doing all that, I'm just going to upgrade these to some LEDs and see how they work out. And clearly that's working. And now that we know it works, these screws go straight through. So I'm probably going to have to change out these screws to something else. That does work nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and use some 8mm 1-inch self-tapping screws. That's going to make insulation, and if I have to uninstall it later, uninstallation much simpler. Got the first one started. And now we just line it up with the other side. And there you go. And there you go, upgraded from our halogens to our LEDs. A much cleaner look when both of them are installed. It's going to help make this thing a lot sharper at night. And that's pretty much all there is to it. This video helped you out. Make sure you're subscribed. I just purchased this 300c obviously, so I'm going to be doing a lot of customization to it. There's going to be a lot of videos dropping, so make sure you're subscribed right down here in this bottom corner. And other than that, this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time.